say something to like be the intro.
Hi.
Yo, welcome back to another video. Today we are just riding and doing whatever because I don't really have a plan for today's video unless if I figure something else out later in the week. But like I'm probably not going to. So just sit back, enjoy the video, and we got this wannabe Sauron kid here. So yeah. Straight or left? Oh shoot, we're going left. No! Not again!
You gotta pull over so I don't lose all my battery.
I got you. Oh shoot, car behind us. I was a bit too close to the bush and that hurt my balls too, bro. Bro, he just came up here and just went, oh, ah! He just rode away, bro. Hit the flip. Hold on. Alright, guys, we're here riding with the knockoff Ultra Rider. You can see him with his ski mask and the helmet. Hello! Why is your brake lever so low? We are? Smoke bullet right here, bulletproof. Top. Yo! 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 I just went yo! 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 My heart dropped, bro! My heart dropped! Yo! Yo! Oh my god! Yo! 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 My whole heart just dropped in that moment, bro. My heart dropped. I cut through the intersection and there's a cop right there. My heart dropped, bro. Yo. Knock off Ultra Rider. Bro, I just can't believe that just happened, bro. Bro, I was actually scared. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Literally cut and there's a cop right there. Bro. Bro, Josh, my heart dropped, bro. No! My heart actually dropped, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Huh? Huh? I was literally, like, I cut across the, like, intersection at an angle, and the cop pulled right there and saw me. Yeah, but like that's illegal. You couldn't, like, it was scary. Hello? Hello? And then I went home to the place I can't ever go. Are you okay? You're coughing. Oh, the guys behind us now in the bike lane. Oh, well, we're going straight. Looks like. I just went to the floor and then swerve. Got to swerve. I'm swerving without dying. Kids, don't try this at home. This is operated on a closed course in Mexico during the World Cup. This is operated by trained professionals. Okay, I'm not just a random 14-year-old boy with a bike doing this. I am a trained professional. Sorry, what'd you say, Josh? Nice bike! Huh? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Huh? Sir Velix. Sir Velix. SurVellix.
You have a group of people behind you.
I know. You should. Huh? Huh? Thank you. You should also subscribe. Next Sunday, 8 a.m. No, he looks like Ultra Rider.
Who's licensed?
He is a guy who is in New York and just drives crazy and swerves. Hello?
So you're red right now?
Huh?
You're red?
Mm-hmm.
Recording?
Yeah. Is that a squirrel?
That's a bunny.
That's a bunny? Hello?
Why are you in your underwear, bro? I'm not sorry. Why are you in your underwear? My sister likes you. She said, why are you in your underwear? How to drive. This bike is cool. Yeah, I know it's cool. Yo! Oh my god!
Can I pet him? Hi. Oh, so soft. Hey guys. Boop. Bunny bunny. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh. It's a bunny, funny bunny, it runs, it's a bunny. Okay, you want that. Oh.
Damn! You don't want to
Okay.
You really wanted that bunny.
Okay. Is that a bunny that they kidnapped, or did they buy that bunny from like the pet store?
I don't know.
Huh?
He's riding in his underwear.
Bro's just riding in his underwear. He does not care, bro. Wait, do bunnies have rabies? Do I need to go wash my hands now? Lives out. I don't know. I'm just asking. I'm just asking, chat. Oh. Okay. Okay.
You're gonna break his spine.
I wrote it down for the guy who's riding in his underwear. I thought you said that these were your siblings.
I'm moving. My parents was about to have.
I'm so confused. Okay, well, do you guys know the guy who's riding in his underwear?
Yeah, we know. Wait,
Mine's better though, right?
push him faster.
Sir Velix.
Brady, I can hear myself through
Do
your
you
headphones.
edit those?
Like I hear my echo. It's annoying.
Yeah. You should go watch my videos.
How much subscribers?
38,000.
Ooh, wait.
No, I'm just kidding. So it's only 38.
No, you should mention me in your videos.
What's your name?
Julian IRL. That's my YouTube channel.
Shout out to Julian IRL.
Yeah.
Like tag you, like I'll like show your username on the screen right here somewhere. Right here.
I do.
Oh, you do Roblox.
Yeah,
Okay.
Roblox and real life videos and yeah.
All right. Make sure you go follow this channel right here, guys.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, his is illegal. Cops can impound that.
This goes like
20.
This is 20? This is gross.
Mine's street legal.
It has pedals.
Like really only goes like 30.
What's that? Not pedals, bro.
It's supposed to go 40.
Dude, it's cold, bro.
That's why I brought gloves.
How are people in underwear out here, bro?
They just went to
You should climb in the fence, bro. I don't even know if I should even put that in the video, bro. Bro, should I even put that in the video? He's in his underwear. Huh? Blur him out. Bro, he's literally just chilling in his underwear. I am the editor. I film, I edit, I do everything. Yeah. I'm not. Oh yeah, you do. Oh. Are you okay, bro? Are you okay, bro? His ankle just like broke that pot, bro. Yo. Bro, they're about to kill the bunny, bro. Bye, bunny. Be free. Go live the best life you can. Never mind, you already got caught. But guess what? Bro, do you guys have TikTok?
No.
700 out of 10? Alright. A 0 out of 10, bro. That's ugly.
Look, I can see a little bit red.
No, bro, that's ugly, bro. Say a 0. Say a 0. Mine's better, yeah. Yeah. You're my favorite.
You don't like it? 0, 0, 0.
Yeah, you're both my favorite.
I make edits. So like
Oh, you do it?
I make a little.
You do?
Very good editor.
Oh, David or Joel?
I'm just gonna give him both.
Bro, he's tweaking, bro.
Super 73. Zoe.
What bike is that?
Super 73.
I don't even know what bike that is, bro. I got you. Oh shoot, wait. I don't know what's there. No English show. Wait.
Yo, what was that?
This might knock off Timu Horn. Alright, bye bye. Thank you! Alright, let's go, bro. I'm gone. Bro, they're following. Bro, they're following us. Yo, I cannot hear you, bro. All I hear is Maka Kamiku out. Wait, can you repeat what you said? Konnichiwa. Kamoshabao. Bro, that was such a funny interaction.
Fell off the fence.
I know. Bro, his whole foot landed inside like the pot, bro. Bro, I'm not even kidding. You look like Ultra Rider, bro.
What?
Ultra Rider. Huh?
He's the popular one, right?
No, that's Riders Revolution. Ultra Rider. Here, bring. Yeah, bring your bike in. Just walk it. Just, if my bike gets stolen, it's your fault. Okay.
To the outside.
Oh, you pointed this way.
Okay, go get your cat food and I'm gonna go get an airplane.
Okay, hold on. I'm hating up on this call, bro. I can't hear you. You're like just mumbling. Sorry, not the end of the world. Okay, now where would cat food be? Well, how am I supposed to carry this, bro? Okay. Chat, how am I supposed to carry this?
me, when I went and got it up here, and I had to put it in the bag, I just put it like right in between my legs.
And our bikes are gone. I know, I just wanted to say that. Ugh. I'm pretty sure my mom said 8:30 I got me home. No, I think she said 8. She either said 8 or 8:30, I know that. So either way, I'm late.
Well, I'm assuming you're gonna go that way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna probably go that way out.
Alright.
Actually, I'll follow you out, but I'm gonna go through that neighborhood and just touch you.
Okay. Oh, so you're gonna go by those kids again?
Yeah, I'm gonna go touch them. Pause. Yeah.
You're gonna go check them? Josh.
I'm curious to see if that bunny escaped.
Well, I'm
Oh, no, did
pretty
they catch
sure they kidnapped that bunny.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I don't think that they bought that from the store. Like, that is 100% got kidnapped.
It looked like people who would kidnap a bunny.
Too, bro. They probably just saw it running and said, "Ooh, can we keep it as a pet?" Like, that's probably what happened. Alright. What happened?
Okay, well, I'm gonna.
I know. Alright, well, if that is it for today, thank you guys for watching. I enjoyed making this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you next week. Make sure to stay tuned, because we have new and awesome videos every Sunday at 8 a.m. See y'all next one.